Modding Lethal Company can be a fun way to change your game and make it more exciting. First, you need to download a modding tool. These tools help you add new features or change how the game works. One popular tool is called it's spelled Bepinex, Bipinex. It's easy to find out online. I'll put it in the description, everything I'm about to say as well. After you have the tool, you should install it in your Lethal Company, the game folder. This folder is usually located in your computer's Stream library. Once it's there, you can start looking for mods. Many players create mods that add new characters, levels, or items. Websites like Nexus Mods are great places to find these. When you find a mod that you like, download it. Make sure to read the instructions carefully because each mod is different. After downloading, put the mod files into the mods folder created by Bepinex. Okay, I'll put it all in the description, all these words here. Finally, start the game. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the changes. Remember to back up your game files before modding, just in case something goes wrong. Enjoy your new experience in Lethal Company. Let me know your favorite part about it.